In this video, I'm going to show you how I made more than $3,000 in the last 18 days using a simple strategy which everybody can implement right away. So I'm going to my dashboard and I'll show you everything. So stay till the end. Let's get started.
So this is my Wallet Plus dashboard. So I'll go to Wallet, okay, and you can see the earnings over here, the status, the dates, and everything. Okay, when I go to summary and when I go to the last 30 days, okay, you can see the earnings over here. Okay, the reason why I'm showing you earnings because I just want you to realize that whatever I say in this video, which I have done by myself, I'm not saying this out of the world. I have tried it and I got some success, so you can do the same. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, there are 4 steps for doing high ticket selling, okay, which I observed myself and I also experienced it. Okay, so the first step is product research. Okay, what product you are selecting in selling an high ticket product. Okay, the second one is getting traffic. Okay, how to get traffic for your affiliate offer. The third one is promotional strategy, how you are promoting a product. And the fourth one is closing a sale, how to close a sale. Okay, so I'm going to explain everything separately and step by step and with practicality. Okay, so make sure you attend till the end, you so that you don't miss these simple points. Okay, so the first one is product research. Okay, there are 2 types of categories which you can sell. Okay, like the first category is information products, masterminds, and boot camps. Okay, these are all information based products. Okay, people are selling knowledge for money. Okay, and the second type of products are recurring based softwares like funnel builders, email marketing systems, for example ClickFunnels, all those platforms. Okay, so why these recurring based softwares are high ticket product? Because their lifetime value is so high, because people can continue for 1 year, 2 years, they can use that software and you get paid every single month. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to select info products. Okay, the first thing is go to Warrior Plus. Okay, go to Warrior Plus, go to affiliate. Okay, the before that, okay, just go to my account. Okay, and edit your profile. Okay, complete your profile fully. Okay, your name, your address, your profile photo, complete each and every step in your profile. And you can add your payment method, your bank account, everything you can add in this. Okay, because this is very important. Okay, because if you are getting approval for any product, people will look at these things. Okay, I'm going to show you what is approval, but make sure once you log into your Warrior Plus account, it's completely free to create. Go to Google, type Warrior Plus, you can create account in just 2 minutes. Okay, next is go to my account, click on edit profile and complete all those steps. Okay, don't leave a single thing, complete all those steps. Okay, after that, go to affiliate and offers. Okay, here you can find all the affiliate offers. Okay, you can see, you can find all the affiliate offers. Okay, you can see this product have been sold 2000 times, 2000 people have purchased this product. Okay, you can see all the products. Okay, you can see all the product. Okay, you just have to do some research. Okay, which product is paying high. Okay, you can go to sort by, you can go to average sale. Okay, okay, and you can find all the products which is giving high commission. Okay, like for example, if I take example of, I am just taking an example. Okay, I'm not saying you have to promote this product. Okay, like suppose for example retarget boss. Okay, if you have decided to promote retarget boss. Okay, what stats you have to check. Okay, the first stat is, okay, this product have sold 250 times. That means 250 people purchased this product. Okay, good. Okay, people purchase this, and the second one is conversion rate, 31%. Okay, on every 100 people, 31 people is buying this product. See the conversion rate. What is conversion rate? For every 100 people, 31 people are buying this product. So high conversion rate. Okay, so how much average visitor value? Okay, visitor value is different. Okay, for one click, you are getting 136.89. Okay, that is called EPC, earnings per click. Okay, and the next is commission, how much the product cost, and the refund rate. Okay, 5%. Okay, anything less than 8%, 9%, or 10% is okay. If the refund rate is more than 15%, better to forget that product, don't promote that product, because if the refund rate is so high, so what is the point of promoting? Again, people will refund, you lose your money, you lose your efforts also. You can see for this product, the refund rate is 29%. So better not to touch those type of products. Okay, so this is the, so these are the stats you have to check. Okay, refund rate. Okay, how much times it's sold. Okay, and the conversion rate. Okay, for every 100 people, how many people are buying this product. Okay, EPC, earnings per click. Okay, for one click, how much you are getting. If it is $4, $5, that's a great thing. Okay, so just look into that. Okay, and just because these stats you get used to when you promote some different offers. Okay, so if you want to promote any offer, okay, you can just click on request. Okay, I'm just showing an example. Okay, and you can click on request approval. Okay, here you have to say them how you are promoting this product, what are your traffic sources. Okay, because generally lot of vendors don't approve your request if you are new to this business. Okay, a quick hack. Okay, a quick hack, listen to me carefully. Okay, make a video. Okay, make a video, just take your phone, make a video that, hi, my name is Kadam Saicharan, I just want to promote your product, industries, local business. I have a good audience in industries and local business, so please approve my request so that I can promote it, I can get a good sales for you. And make that video, upload to YouTube. Okay, don't make it public, unlist it on YouTube. Okay, and just share that link over here. Okay, share that link over here and click on request offer. What will happen when you do that? When you do that, the vendor will see the efforts in you, because you made an effort to make a video. Even if you are a new person, they will approve your offer. Okay, so use this hack. Okay, a lot of people have tried this hack and they got approval for many products. Okay, 80 to 90% chances you get approval. If you have not got approval in 24 hours, 48 hours, then you can do some other product. You can select some other product. Okay, so the first step is this. Okay, you can select product from Warrior also. Generally, for many high ticket programs, okay, you have to buy the product first. Okay, they won't give you resale rights directly. Okay, the first thing is you have to buy that product, then only you can sell that product. But there are many platforms out there where you can promote the offer for free, you don't have to purchase the product. Okay, so I'm going to show you the second way of selecting a high ticket product. Okay, go to Google. Okay, uh, just do quotation marks. Okay, type high ticket affiliate programs. Okay, sorry, high ticket affiliate programs 2021. Okay, and you quotation marks again, just click on it. Okay, here you can see there are a lot of blogs out there which are recommending you high ticket product. Okay, so you can see over here, when I click on this blog, okay, it is showing me, okay, all the high paying affiliate programs. Okay, 2021. Okay, the first one it is showing is Builderall. Okay, actually I have promoted this product Builderall. Okay, you can, this is my Builderall dashboard. Okay, and you can see over here, okay, I have made around $7,000 from this platform. Okay, still I'm making money. Okay, so the reason why recurring based products are good, because you get paid every single month and the lifetime value of customer is so high. Okay, so you can see all the platforms out there. Okay, all the platforms, and I'm going to share you the strategy how to sell it to. No need to worry, just observe what I'm saying. Okay, you can see all the products, Teachable. Okay, all the products. Okay, You just have to do some research in selecting a product, okay? Which is working for me might not work for you, okay? So you have to select product based on your experience, based on what is working for you, okay? Do research and start trying. That's the only thing you can do, okay? So this is the second way. The first way is go to Warrior Plus, select a product, request approval, okay? The second way is come to Google and research on some products, okay? Like if you want to like promote this product, okay, like Teachable affiliate, okay, just create an account in teachable.com. if, Below you can find affiliate program. You can just select sign up to it. It's pretty self-explanatory how to get an affiliate link. I'm not going it into deep, okay? Do your own research, okay? And the third way, okay, on the third way of getting high ticket program, which is recommended by someone, okay? If somebody have recommended you in a high ticket program, you can promote that too. Even in ClickBank, you have a lot of products, high ticket product, okay? When I go to my ClickBank account, okay, for the last 1 month I'm not promoting any product, okay? And you can see last month I made around $675 in gross sales, okay? This month I haven't given much time for ClickBank, okay, due to my ads are not working due to some issues. In paid ads, I'm still in the exploration phase. Still I have to learn many things, but I'm just testing and trying the things, okay? So come to marketplace, okay, log into your ClickBank account. Sorry, log into your ClickBank account, okay? Come to marketplace, okay? And here just type I have found one iTicket program, okay, super affiliate system. Or else you can come over here, come to e-business and e-marketing, okay? Generally for biz offers, okay, you can find a lot of products over here, okay? Just here click sort by average conversion, okay? You can see all the products which are high ticket. You can just click on promote, you get the link over there, okay? So this super affiliate system will also work, okay? So here, okay, like those are the things which I want to share about product selection, okay? Even like you can select any product, okay? Like this product is paying you $1477, okay? See how crazy it is, okay? Like uh, here you can see $842. Initial conversion is less, but overall you get $842, okay? You get all the resources in affiliate page, okay? How to promote this product and everything, okay? I'm going to show you, okay, how to do that, okay? So be with me, okay? So I shared some tips on product research, okay? Two types of products: information products and softwares, okay? You can select anything based on your interest and experience, okay? So the second important thing is getting traffic, okay? There are two ways to get traffic, okay? The first way is paid traffic, okay? But if you want to explore paid advertising, okay, you need to have at least $1,500 to $2,000 in ad budget, okay? If you don't have budget, don't do paid advertising, okay? Because for testing and trying, you need a lot of budget, okay? You get 50% ROI, like in the sense, like if you're spending if the product cost is $1,000, you have to spend at least $500 to get a sale. So it's very expensive. If you have money, you can start, but as my thing, okay, my recommendation, start with organic traffic, learn the things, make some money, then reinvest that money into paid advertising, okay? Hope you're understanding what I'm trying to convey, okay? So in organic traffic, you don't have to spend any money, but you need some patience and time for scaling, okay? You need some patience, okay? Okay, this is all about traffic, okay? Now I'm going into detail the promotional strategies which I followed, okay? Promotional strategy, okay? Mainly a lot of people use Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and everything, okay? But mainly I use some little platforms. In that, one of the platform is Facebook, okay? Because there you get instant traffic, okay? And it's very easy to get traffic over there, okay? So before that, I'm going to share you one important thing, okay? If you are selling it to everyone, you are not selling to anyone. Okay, sorry, you are selling to no one. Okay, don't try to sell a product to everyone. Okay, you have to sell your product to a specific audience. Okay, I'm going to share you how to get those audience, but I just want to share this. If you are selling it to everyone, you are selling it to no one. Okay, try to understand that. Okay, okay, so the first thing is go to your Facebook. Okay, like for example, okay, for example, you are promoting this product called Super Affiliate System Pro. Okay, which is newly launched before 1 week. If you want to promote, you can promote this offer as well. It pays you $460 per sale. Okay, it's totally up to you. Do some research on this product, read everything, and you can take a decision based on whether you have to promote or not to promote. Okay, you can go to this site called johncristani.com/jv, and you come to this site. Okay, so you can see everything: promote, clickbank, best high converting offer. Okay, you can watch this video. This is a clickbank offer. If you have an account, you can just get the product over there. Okay, here you have to give your clickbank ID, and this is your overall link. Okay, here he's sharing everything: how to promote, how much commission you get. Okay, student results. Okay, and paid traffic, email swipes. Okay, how to promote it through free traffic, through Facebook ads, YouTube ads. Okay, free traffic, everything is mentioned over here. Okay, everything is mentioned over here. What else you need? Okay, he's providing every information over here. Okay, he's providing every information over here. Okay, so suppose for example, okay, for example, okay, if you want to promote this product, how you are going to promote? Okay, what a lot of people will do, even when I did in the start, I'll go and directly promote this to everyone. This is not going to work. Okay, if you are selling it to someone, they should be your targeted audience. Okay, I will say you whom you can sell this product. Okay, this applies to everything. Okay, just understand the intent behind me, intent behind what I'm saying. Okay, if you want to promote this product called Super Affiliate System by John Cristani, okay, the first people whom you can target is people who know John Cristani, because people who know John Cristani, they already know about Super Affiliate System Pro. Or if you recommend this product to them, they might be highly interested because they already know John Cristani and his content is good. Okay, so you can go to Facebook. Okay, come over here. Okay, type John Cristani. Okay, okay, type John Cristani. Okay, and sorry, you can, I'll just type John Cristani. Okay, John Cristani. Okay, I'll just click on OK. Okay, here you have lot of groups over here. Okay, by John Cristani, you have lot of groups over here. Okay, I am not saying go and promote in that group. Okay, join those groups first. Okay, join those groups first, and in that groups, what you have to do, you have to provide value. Okay, if somebody posted anything, something, any question, you have to answer those question in detail. Why you have to do that? It's very simple. Okay, when you help someone in that group for one time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, lot of people in the group will know about you. You will become a brand in that group, and people start asking you questions, people start asking you advisors, so that you can answer them, help them, and you can sell your product. Okay, and the second way is go to pages. Okay, like click on any of the John Cristani page. Okay, and here what you have to do, you have to add these people. Okay, people who liked this page, add them as your friends. Okay, people who liked this page, or people who liked this post, add them as your friends on your profile. Why you have to do that? Because if you want to sell this to someone, you need to have a targeted audience. Okay, so in your community, in your profile, you need to have these type of targeted people. Okay, add them as your friends. Okay, go to these comments. Okay, go to these likes, add them as your friends, add them as your friends. Okay, okay, and after that, see, if you want to promote Builderall, okay, which is a funnel software, whom you have to target, you have to target people who use ClickFunnels, because people who use ClickFunnels already know about funnel builder, so your work will become simple. Okay, if you want to promote an email marketing software, GetResponse, you can target audience people who are using other software, so that your work becomes simple. Okay, audience is already there, you need to look for, you don't have to look for audience, audience is already over there, you just have to pick an audience. Okay, this is very very important. Okay, you can just add them as your friends. Okay, after adding friends, what you have to do, what I have done, okay, very simple. Okay, for every high ticket program, okay, there is a high ticket webinar. For every high ticket program, okay, there is a high ticket webinar. Okay, like for this product also, you will have a high ticket webinar. What you have to do, you attend that high ticket webinar, make some notes. Okay, make some notes, understand how that person is trying to sell a product, how that person is trying to pitch a product, what pain points he's including, what strategy he's using, everything you make some notes. Okay, each and everything, make some notes. Okay, next what you have to do, you have to create content based on that, based on the pain points and overall strategy. Okay, why you have to do that, what will happen if you do that, because in your profile all the people are admirers of John Cristani, or I'm just taking John Cristani as an example, so that you understand it better. Okay, I'm not saying you to promote that product, but I'm just showing you an example. Okay, so if you want to so in your profile, in your, it might be Instagram, Facebook, in your profile, in your community, all the people already know John Cristani, they are admirers of John Cristani. Okay, and they know about super affiliate system. So when you make the content based on that webinar every day, the chance of conversion is so high. Why? Because you're creating content based on that webinar, where people already attended, or where people already about to attend. So your work become very simple, you get a lot of engagement, a lot of people try to contact you, a lot of people ask you questions. Okay, everything will happen. Okay, jab jab, right hook. Okay, while creating content, you have to provide value first. Okay, provide value first, and then you pitch the product, people will buy. Okay, so when somebody approaches you for questions, okay, for product, okay, don't try to close them on the chat. Okay, this is very very important, a lot of people do this mistake. Don't try to sell a high ticket program on chat. Okay, you have to ask them, I'm going to schedule a Zoom call for you. Okay, I'll answer all your questions. Okay, you take a Zoom call, talk with them, explain them, help them, and just close them. Okay, definitely it will work. Because why it will work, because you're targeting specific people who can purchase. Okay, and you're creating content based on that high ticket webinar, which people already are interested. And the third thing, you're talking to them and answering their questions, and you can close them very easily. Okay, this might seem so complicated for you, this might seem like there's a lot of things I have to do, but if you're going with organic, you have to do all these things. Okay, try it for 1 month, try it for 15 days. Okay, don't do this, apply this for 1 day, 2 day, or 1 week, and just say it's not working for me. Okay, because generally we disappoint sometimes if you work for 1 week, if you're not getting any results. Okay, do it for 1 month, do it for 1.5 month, then you start getting results. Okay, I have done the same, I've explained you the strategy which I have followed. Okay, right now I'm getting into paid traffic also. But if you're just getting started, start applying this. Okay, if you have any questions, okay, you can ask me. Okay, personally, comment in the comment section. Okay, and I hope this video have provided you some value. Okay, if it really provided you some value, just comment in the comment section what value you got, and give me tips and suggestions for the next video, so that I can make a better content out in the market. Okay, and once again, thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.